Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix network error in CapCut. So whenever you want to edit your video and you will see like this network error, click try again. Okay, so when I go to effect, transition, filter, whichever I choose, it will say network error. Okay, while my network is connected. So how to solve this, I am going to show you in this video how to solve this. So what you have to do, basically it happens because CapCut is not valid or invalid or banned from your country. Okay, especially in India. So how to do it, how to solve it? So what you have to do, you have to just download one VPN. Okay, so you have to download one VPN here. So I am going to download a VPN here. Okay, so the VPN name is proton proton VPN. Okay, whether you are using Windows or MacOS, okay, this video will work in everyone. So proton VPN is available for Windows also and MacOS also. So what you have to do, if you are using Windows, you have to just click on download VPN for Windows, and if you are using MacOS, you have to just click on this one. So as I am using MacOS, so I am going to download this. You can choose for macOS. Okay, now you have to select this get proton for free, and now you have to just click on continue for free and install it. So after installing, you will see it is here, or you can also search in the search in your apps and you will find that. Then you have to just click on quick connect, and now I'm going to quick connect it. Now it is connected. Now I'm going to close this app and again open it. Okay, so I'm going to just go back and launch it again. Okay, so now you will see there is no error. You will not see any error here. Okay, so now like this you can solve these errors. Okay, you can solve this. Here you will see loading resources, so you can solve network error in CapCut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.